Content marketing demystified. Simple strategies for absolute beginners. Here are 4 great content marketing examples to boost your business's content strategy, generate leads, and set you up for success.
User-generated content.
UGC is content made about a brand by their audience. It includes everything from online reviews and testimonials to social media posts where customers show themselves using a business. The value of user-generated content is that it leverages existing customer relationships to build new ones. Educational webinar series. Generally, the topic of a webinar series falls into one of these categories: case studies, legal issues, and tutorials. When trying to come up with webinar content marketing ideas, the main question to ask is, what knowledge can I offer to my audience?
Takeover Series with influencers.
If you've been struggling with content ideas, it may be time to turn to a third party for assistance. Collaborating with influencers or industry experts can be a major boost to marketing efforts, especially if they bring an audience with them and are well positioned enough to add real value to your brand.
Seasonal content campaign.
Seasonal content campaigns are one of those content marketing examples that seem to work across industries. Changing seasons bring changes to people's routines, providing new pain points or concerns for content to target. These content marketing examples all include different forms of content to attract different audiences in different places. Within the current social media landscape, capitalizing on video marketing has never been more important or more simple. With an online video editor like Pictory, repurposing your text content into videos can take minutes. Sign up for a Pictory account today and enjoy 14 days of risk-free content creation.